Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to create a landing page using Pagefly. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you don't know, Pagefly is a popular page builder app designed specifically for Shopify, one of the leading e-commerce platforms. So it provides users with a user-friendly and intuitive interface for creating and customizing various types of pages for their Shopify stores. So it is also a powerful page builder app for Shopify that empowers users to create stunning and high converting pages for their e-commerce store without the need for coding expertise. So before we proceed with the tutorial, let me just go ahead and share with you some of the advantages if you use Pagefly. Okay? So Pagefly, you can create the pages that are optimized for different devices and screen sizes. So the app ensures that your pages are mobile friendly and responsive, which is crucial for providing a seamless user's experience and improving conversions. Okay? So for the customizations options, Pagefly allows you to have full control over the design of your pages. So you can customize elements such as fonts, colors, images, layouts, and add various interactive elements like sliders, countdown timers, pop-ups, and more. So this level of customization helps you to create unique and engaging pages that align with your brand's aesthetic. So there are a lot of advantages using Pagefly, okay? But these are some of the samples. So in overall, Pagefly simplifies the process of designing and customizing your Shopify store pages. So it improves user experience and offers various features to optimize your pages for better conversions and search engine visibility. Okay? So that is Pagefly. So let's just go ahead and proceed with the tutorial. So if you want to create a landing page with Pagefly, what you need to do is to open your browser and search for shopify.com and then sign in your account, okay? So you need to make sure that you are in the admin dashboard. So if you don't know on how to log in here on the admin dashboard, just go ahead and scroll in our videos because I already created a video on how to log in Shopify admin dashboard. Okay? So now once you've logged in, what you need to do is to click on the settings section at the lower left corner of your screen right here. Now, once you are here, what you need to do is to find the apps and sales channels. So click on that. So here you need to click on Shopify App Store. So once we are here on the Shopify App Store, let's just go ahead and search for Pagefly. So here's the plugin that we want. So just go ahead and click on it. Click on Add App. Okay. So here, create Shopify landing pages with Pagefly templates or custom splash pages. It creates SEO-friendly pages without slowing down your store. Maximize conversions with Pagefly, drag and drop builder, and lead capture. Upgrade your Shopify theme with Pagefly's flexible design options, responsive for mobile, tablet display, customize every screen size individually. Okay, so here's the about this app. So it launched in 2017. So now click on the add app button right here. So click on the install app button. So now once you've installed or added the Pagefly on your Shopify store, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on the Pages section at the left side of your screen. Okay, so now we want to create a landing page, right? So let's just go ahead and select regular pages. So once you're here, a regular page allows you to create a wide range of pages such as landing, sales, promotion, contact, about us, testimonial pages, etc. So after publishing, a new page will be created in your Shopify admin, online store, pages section, and link to the page from Pagefly. So now you can just go ahead and select any template or create a blank page. Okay, so it really depends if you want to create a blank page or create from a template. So if you want to create your own template, like build a template according to your liking, you can just go ahead and select create a blank page. But if you want to have a template, like for a guide, or just you can just go ahead and edit it. So you can just go ahead and select create from template. Okay, so let me just go ahead and select the create from template. So here, as you can see, there's this category section. There's this holiday page, landing page, home page, etc. Okay, so we want landing page. So let's just go ahead and check that box at the left side of landing page. So here you have tons of landing page templates. Okay, so for example, you want this one and you want to preview it, just go ahead and click on the preview button. So this is what it looks like when you are using desktop. And when you click on this icon right here, this is what it looks like when you are using your mobile device. Okay, so if you want this template, you can just go ahead and simply click on this select this template button at the lower right corner of your screen. Okay, so now as you can see, this is the template that I have chosen earlier. So here you have tons of elements, the add element, add Shopify element, add third-party elements, and extra third-party applications. You can see your version history right here, the add custom code. If you have any code that you want to add, just go ahead and click on here. Okay, so here at add elements, you can change the layout, the content list, slideshow, tab, accordion, heading. So here, choose any heading that you want. So for example, you want a heading or header. Okay, so here, so just go ahead and click it and drag it right here to add it on your landing page. Okay, so for example, you want to remove this image. What you need to do is to click on it and click on the backspace. Okay, so you can just go ahead and simply delete it. Okay, so now let me just go ahead and show you. For example, you want to change this text, so you can delete it right here. So like that. So for example, sample text is like that. So you can do it like this, or you want to italic it just like that. Okay, and also what you can do is to see here the hide on desktop, hide on laptop, just like that, the visibility, actions, tracking, animation, and attributes. Okay, so now when you click on this styling button, you can see the spacing, typography, background, like that. So you can add video, parallax, standard, something like that. And here for the effects, you can just go ahead and change the opacity of it. If you want to turn to toggle the shadow, if you want a shadow, you can just go ahead and toggle this switch. So it's like that. As you can see, this is the shadow. Okay, so you can choose, or you can edit it however you want. Okay, so you can just go ahead and simply explore this so that you can find any features here on Pagefly. Okay, so now when you want to add a Shopify element, just go ahead and click on this add Shopify element right here. So you can add the product list, lot of that, the collection list, the blog posts. Here on add third party element, you can just go ahead and search for an element that you want. Okay, so as you can see that I didn't change anything right here. That is because I just want to show you on how to edit or the basics here on Pagefly. Okay, and also I want to show you on how to add a video. So to do that, just go ahead and select the column or part where you want to add the video. Okay, so for example in this column, so now what you need to do is to find the background section, then select video. Okay, so you can just go ahead and search for YouTube and wait. Okay, so now just go ahead and search for a video that you want to add. Okay, so let me just go ahead and search for a video. So for example, this video. Okay, so what you need to do is to copy the URL. So you should see that here on the search bar. Now copy that, go back here on the Pagefly and paste it right here. Okay, and now as you can see, this is the video from YouTube. Okay, so now just go ahead and edit your landing page according to your liking. Okay, so don't be scared on changing the design or fonts of your landing page because it is your landing page, but you need to make sure that it is presentable. Okay, and now once you're happy with your landing page, just go ahead and click on the save button at the upper right side of your screen. Now put the page title like that, then click on the save the page button. So here, please note that after saving, you have to publish the page to make it go live. Page preview might differ from the live page due to your theme styling. Okay, so got it. So as you can see here that auto-saving will not create new versions in history. To create a version, you need to manually click on the save button in the editor. So let me just go ahead and enable that. Now you can just go ahead and publish your landing page. So click on publish. So here the Pagefly is giving a one free slot to publish pages or sections. So after publishing this page or section, you will need to upgrade to a higher plan to be able to publish more pages or section. Okay, so if you're not using the premium account, you only have a one free slot. Okay, so click on publish. So now if you want to preview it, just go ahead and click on this eye icon right here. Okay, so now you can just go ahead and view your landing page right here. Okay, So that is how you create a landing page with Pagefly. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.